Oh no, you're running late for your flight. We've all been there, heart pounding, racing through the airport. Today, we're going to look at a conversation that happens all too often at the check-in counter when you miss your flight. Let's dive in and learn some essential English phrases for handling this stressful situation. Imagine this. A passenger rushes to the British Airways counter for flight BA247 to London. He's out of breath and stressed. He tells the agent he needs to check in, but here's the first problem. The agent politely informs him, "I'm sorry, sir, but check-in for this flight closed 45 minutes ago." The flight is departing in just 20 minutes. The passenger is desperate. He explains he was stuck in terrible traffic and has a critical business meeting in London tomorrow morning. This is a common issue, right? Unforeseen delays can ruin even the best laid plans. He pleads, "Isn't there anything you can do? I absolutely have to be on this flight." The agent is empathetic but firm. Airline policies are strict for a reason. Safety and on-time departures are a priority. She explains that once check-in is closed, it can't be reopened. This is a key takeaway for all travelers. Those deadlines are serious. Always plan to arrive at the airport with plenty of extra time. So, what are the options? The agent checks for other flights. Bad news. All later flights to London for the day are completely full. The next available seat isn't until 7 o'clock a.m. the next morning. This won't work for the passengers meeting. Now for the really painful part, the ticket. The passenger had purchased the cheapest economy fare. The agent has to deliver another blow. "Sir, I see you have a non-refundable, non-changeable ticket." This means his original ticket is now worthless. To get on the next morning's flight, he'll have to buy a brand new one. And the cost? A staggering $850. Last-minute tickets are always much more expensive. The passenger is shocked and frustrated, feeling helpless. He bought a cheap ticket to save money, but now it's costing him way more. This is a huge lesson. Always read the terms and conditions of your ticket. Sometimes, paying a little extra for a flexible fare can save you a fortune. Seeing his distress, the airline agent offers a glimmer of hope. She says, "Let me speak with my supervisor. Sometimes they can make an exception, but I can't promise anything." This shows that even with strict rules, it's always worth asking for help politely. Customer service staff can sometimes find solutions that aren't immediately obvious. So, what can we learn from this? Arrive early, understand your ticket's rules, and if you find yourself in trouble, stay calm and ask for help. Travel can be unpredictable, but being prepared makes all the difference. What would you do in this situation? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more English travel tips. Thanks for watching.